Hello everyone, I am Nikhil Komalla. I just want to share a story that made me believe in my dream of seeing the world run on sustainable solution. Here, when I say sustainable, I mean the use of hydrogen as fuel. Let me begin the story. The sun. It's really a very powerful source. What is sun made up of? Hydrogen and helium. The Sun is a main sequential star and thus generates its energy by nuclear fusion of hydrogen nuclei into helium. At its core, the Sun fuses 500 million metric tons of hydrogen every second. The Earth on which we are living now was once formed from Sun, implies the Earth is initially made up of hydrogen and helium. They, hydrogen and helium being the light gases, they tend to evaporate into space. The remaining elements, carbon, nitrogen and oxygen, are the most abundant. This is due to the fact that the main fusion reaction in the large stars is the CNO cycle, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen cycle, which produces these elements as a byproduct. These react easily with other elements and produce gases like carbon dioxide, water, and ammonia. Here, producing water from hydrogen is not a new idea. We all are witnessing the water on Earth. So, this use of hydrogen and producing water as a byproduct is an idea from nature. That is what makes us different. That is what makes this idea different. We are not polluting anything. We are using the process which the universe does and making it useful to humankind. I feel that this process of using will be the best way to reduce pollution and have zero emission vehicles on road. Stay tuned to witness the zero emission vehicles. Actually, this happened on 8th May 2020. The day started with a drowsy mood. I was not able to concentrate on anything. I switched on TV and started watching a movie where a young girl used water as fuel to run a vehicle. The movie connected me with the hydrogen project which I have been working on for the past 3 years. Then, I don't know then why my hand went on to the knowledge category and I switched to the Discovery Science channel. It was around 10 p.m. The show's name was How the Universe Works. Just in a minute, they were mentioning that sun made up of hydrogen and helium. The hydrogen word just stuck my mind. And then I started writing something that is the story I narrated a minute ago. I just really felt that the universe conspired to let me know the purpose of me looking at hydrogen, and I felt like it's a wow day. 8th May 2020, a memorable day to me. Thank you, Nikhil Komalla.